Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am your web developmentor from webdevelopcompany.com. Today I am going to share with you the fourth lesson of basic HTML courses. This courses is for those persons who knows the HTML little bit, and also it is applicable to those persons who want to learn the HTML from the scratch. In my first and second video, I have covered the basic HTML tag, as well as I have shown you how to write the HTML code from the scratch, and also I have covered how to write the HTML code on the fly. In this video, I will cover what is the HTML element, what is the difference between the HTML tag versus HTML element. Also, I will cover what is the difference between the nested HTML element versus empty HTML element. If you follow my video till end, then I am sure you will understand what is the difference between the nested HTML elements versus an empty HTML elements. Also, it will be very important to your upcoming interview. So let's start the session now. So in my second video, I had shown you the basic HTML tag, as well as I had shown you how to write the HTML code from the scratch. So in this video, I will use this piece of code to understand the difference between the nested HTML element versus an empty HTML elements. So now comes to the point, what is the HTML elements? An HTML elements is defined by a start tag, then some contained, then and end tag, like head. This have a start tag, then some contained, then end tag. So that means they have some contained that goes there, and then the tag will be closed. So the HTML element is everything from start tag to the end tag. So kindly note one more thing, that there have some HTML element which have no content, like the break element. So these elements are called the empty elements. So empty elements do not have an end tag. So now let's come to the nested HTML element section. So HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML document consist of HTML elements. So here you could see it contains many HTML elements like HTML, then head, then body, then h1 tag, then p tag, then beard tag. So there have lot of HTML elements. So now let's explain. So here this HTML element is a root element, and it defines the whole HTML documents. So it has the start tag, that HTML, and end tag, that is /HTML, like this. Okay. Then inside the HTML elements, we could see that there is a body element. Okay. So this body element defines the document body. So it has a start tag, that body, and it has the end tag, that /body. Okay. Then inside the body element there are many other elements like h1, then p tag, then beer elements. So here h1 elements defines the heading. Here p tag defines the paragraph. So right now I want to mention one important information, that never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. So let's see this demo now. So in my last session you have already seen how to write the HTML code on the fly. So I just open one new window, and here we will right click and select the inspect option. Okay, so now I will just delete this entire HTML from this page. Okay, and after that I will copy this code from here. So you can also do the same thing like me to learn any HTML on the fly. So I just copy this code from my website and then go to this window and again inspect. Okay, and then right click at here, edit as HTML, then delete this and paste my code at here. Okay, and then click outside at this box. So before that I have already mentioned that some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. So right now I just go to the body tag and right click at there and click on the edit as HTML option. Then I will delete this end tag of paragraph. After that I will delete the end tag of the h1. Okay, then after that to check the result we will click on the outside of this box. So right now you could see that it will display correctly even if you forget the end tag of the paragraph and the h1. Okay, and here you could check that I have deleted this end tag of paragraph, but it will automatically just catch the end tag of paragraph tag. So right now you can see that the end tag of paragraph have already come. The end tag of the paragraph have already appeared in this section, like the h1. So that the end tag of h1 have appeared in this section. Okay, so sometimes it will also display incorrectly, so I will show you that one also. Go to the body and click on the edit as HTML, then just delete this h1 tag. Okay, and after that again delete the p tag. Sorry. So here I just oriented the code, then after that I will delete the rest of the tag. So right now I'm going to delete the end tag of the paragraph, and then I'm going to delete the end tag of the h1. So right now you could check the result before deleting this, and whenever I will click outside of this box, then you could check the styles have been different, and here this paragraph tag is become inside of this h1. Okay, so that means it will not display correctly. Okay, when you just forget to mention the end tag. So however, never rely on this. Unexpected results and errors may occur if you forget the end tag. So now coming to the point again of empty HTML element. Okay, so the HTML elements with no contents are called the empty elements. Like the BR tag defines the line break. Also the HR tag defines the horizontal. So these are the empty HTML elements. So this BR, also this image tag does not have an end tag, and as well as this HR does not have an end tag. So these all are example of an empty elements which is without a closing tag. So this BR, HR, image is an empty element without a closing tag. So in this tutorial we will also learn that HTML element is not an case sensitive. Okay, like here you could see this p tag. So HTML tags are not case sensitive. That means this p can be in the capital letter as well as in the small letter. So I will show you the demo also. So I will just go to that section and then inspect element, then go to this PR and edit this element, and I will just make it as capital P. Okay, and click outside of this body. So here you could check whenever I will write the capital letter, but it will convert it as a small letter. Okay, so as per the W3C recommended that it always refers the lowercase in HTML. So that HTML tags are not case sensitive. The HTML standard does not require the lower tags, but the W3C recommended the lower case in HTML and demands the lower case for striker document types like the XHTML. So we always use the lower case tags name. Hey guys, I just want a short break in this video. I want to share few important information with you guys about myself and about my company. I am from Web Develop Company and our website URL is www.webdevelopcompany.com. We have a lot of clients across the world. Generally, we believe sharing a knowledge is the main key of any success. So that's why I am here to share the knowledge with you guys with free of cost, as well as we will give you the opportunity to work with us as a freelancer. If you are interested to work with us as a freelancer, then just comment here below. We'll reach out to you whenever we'll get any requirement. So in this video, I hope you could understand the difference between the nested HTML element versus an empty HTML elements. In my next session, I will share with you the information of HTML attributes. What is the HTML attributes, or how many types of attributes are there in HTML? So all this information I will share in my next video. So guys, this will be a very important session for you, so don't miss that session also, and subscribe to my channel now. So before completing this session, I will give you a quick short review on HTML elements. I hope after watching this session right now you are too much familiar with the HTML elements, as well as you could understand the difference between the nested HTML element versus an empty HTML elements. So let's take a short quick review on this. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, then some content, then an end tag. So whenever we write the HTML element, at that time we write any tag's name, after that content goes there, and after that we close the end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Some HTML elements have no content, like the beer element or break element. So these elements are called the empty elements. So empty elements do not have any end tag. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain the other elements. So please keep in mind that never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags are not case sensitive. That means in the paragraph you can write the capital P, as well as you can write the small p for the paragraph tag. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tag, but W3C recommends lowercase in HTML and demands the lowercase for striker document types like XHTML. So here I want to suggest you that kindly note all the points to your personal notebook, because it will be very important for your upcoming interview. Okay, so thanks bring us to the end of this HTML tutorial video. I hope you had fun learning with me to learn the HTML from the scratch. If you have been enjoyed to listening this video, then please like this video. You can connect any of your doubt and queries, and we will reply back to you at the earliest. Please look out more videos from our playlist and subscribe to Web Develop Company channel to learn more. Happy learning!